new outdoor camera from my friends over at GNCC, who were nice enough to send us their GNCC outdoor cam. All right, so the GNCC outdoor cam, here we go. So right on top, little user's manual. Then start with the accessories box first. It's even labeled accessories. So let's see what we have here. We've got, so this looks like the wall plate. We got a little sticker template to know where to put your screw holes. Got a nice included power brick to power the camera and some screws to mount it. And that's it for that box. Then we've got the actual camera and nothing else down in the box. So let's take a look at this. So the cable is permanently attached, for those of you wondering. Two little antennas here. Point those however you may need, it looks like. Nice. And then the front is your camera lenses. Looks like you got some lights, little GNCC logo, speaker on the back, and the bottom has a recep as well as a micro SD card slot. And for this GK2, that's essentially it for the unboxing. Wow, it can look all the way down. Very nice. Do my little peace sign. There we go. And I'll say, this is a daytime audio video test on the GNCC outdoor camera. A nighttime audio video test, and throw it in right here. So this is a nighttime audio video test with the spotlights on. And this is a nighttime audio video test on the GNCC outdoor camera without the spotlight. And I'll even show you how bright the spotlight is on this camera. There's the spotlight. There's no other lights on in this room. That's putting out a lot of light to just be a spotlight from one camera. So this would definitely brighten up an entire area of your house if somebody walks in front of the camera and the spotlight cuts on. And other than that, and let me show you how loud the speaker is on this camera. This is a speaker test on the GNCC outdoor camera. And there you have it. That will essentially do it.